Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Monday morning beach report from North Naples, Florida. I'm by the Vanderbilt Beach Resort, home to the Turtle Club restaurant. That's the resort right there. Good news, the Turtle Club has their new windows and doors installed now. The plywood is off the building. They're probably still looking at maybe a month before reopening. Just a guesstimate, just my guesstimate. The sooner the better. The Turtle Club restaurant. Well, right now the temperature is 72. Started out at 62 this morning. It's going to get up to about 80. The water temperature is around between 65 67. Had a nice beach walk this morning. Did a little walking on the sandbars. Picked up a few little sand dollars along the way. I got a couple of them here in my pocket here. I don't hoard the sand dollars, you know, I just pick up a few here and there. I'm actually picking these up for our friend Doni. She'll be coming to town. I got these for her. There's some nice little ones. That's kind of the average size of the sand dollars we find here in North Naples. Get you down closer to the water. I want to share some of this morning's colors with you too. But first, a quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples. BoatNaples.com. Check out their website. Check out all the awesome cruises they offer. Then before booking online, give them a call. Let them know that Rob from Southwest Florida Television told you about them. That'll make them happy, that'll make me happy, and that'll make you happy. Great people. BoatNaples.com. A dreary day. We're going to see clouds all day today. We might get a shot at some sunshine this coming Wednesday. See what happens. But at least it's not snowing, right? I'll take this over snow any day of the year. So check this out. This is our first light this morning. This is when I just had enough light to record a little video. This is up to the north of where I'm at now on Vanderbilt Beach, up by the La Playa. A little bit of color. Standing out on the sandbar. Then, check this out. This is probably, what, 15 minutes later or so, 20 minutes later. Look at these colors. Those gray clouds, look at that. They just burst with color. Isn't that beautiful? You can see more of these colors if you watch this morning's first look video. Check that out. Now we're down on the very south end of Vanderbilt Beach, down by the Ritz-Carlton. Pretty quiet here, as one would expect on a overcast day like this. Still a great day for a beach walk. We had some rain here in North Naples early this morning, very early this morning. Some isolated showers moving in from the Gulf. We did get some rain up in Fort Myers too. Behind me here, they've got their beach yoga classes going on. I see them out here a lot as I'm wrapping up my beach walks, getting ready to head home. Beach yoga. I'm sure you can do a little Google search and find out more about them. Well, there's folks out here enjoying the beach. Like I said, it's an okay morning for walking the beach. Nothing wrong with taking a walk out here. gonna get up to 80. Phew, can you believe that? 80 this time of year. That's warm today. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a little update on the Turtle Club. Give you a peek at the beach down here. I haven't done that lately. Check out the water, get a little closer to that water. You can kind of see one of the sandbars out there if you look close. That tide's on its way in now, starting to turn. By the way, that wind, little breeze coming out of the south now. Shifted around, that's why it's warmer here. Some warmer air coming out of the south. I got to get rolling. It's kind of late for me. I usually try to get off the beach by about 9:30. But there are some folks out here enjoying themselves, getting some fresh air. I wish it was you. Love to see you here one day, one morning. Be fun meeting you in person. Hit that share button. Be sure to tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Hey, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your friends, your family, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your life. And God bless America. Tally-ho, tally-ho.